Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Davinci Resolve on Windows 11. First, open your web browser. Type Davinci Resolve Download and press Enter. From the search results, click the official Blackmagic Design website link. Once the website opens, scroll down and click Download Windows. You will have to fill out the form above in order to download the installer. Fill in the required fields to continue. The installer file will now begin downloading. Wait for the download to finish. The file will be saved to your Downloads folder by default. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the Davinci Resolve zip file. Right-click on the file and select Extract All. Then, click Extract. Wait until Windows finishes extracting the files. After the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder and double-click the setup file to start the installer. If a Windows security prompt appears, click Yes to allow the installer to run. The Davinci Resolve installer will now open. Click Next to continue. Accept the license agreement and click Next again. Choose the installation location or keep the default option, then click Next. Click Install to begin installing Davinci Resolve on your Windows 11 system. Wait for the installation process to finish. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Davinci Resolve is now installed on your PC. Thanks for watching.